What's going on YouTube? I'm back out with DBXLE. Just going to give it another run on the same setup as I did last time, so I think there's a little bit more left in it. And yeah, you want to get it going. Let's wake that up. Oh, there's a questionable connection there. That's another thing I didn't do last time, was put these in fresh. Alright, we've got some satellites. Get that going. See what we can do. I think we'll just send it. Yeah. Struggling to get the signal. You're doing it all the way over there. Let's grab some stuff. What has happened there? Something's happened. Where is it? Lights are off and everything. It's that connector. Yes, this. That's a bit iffy. What a palaver. $54, so a little bit more. It's dead again. It's cutting in and out. Dead. What's stopping you then? Let's just get it back over here. Now it's gone again. Gonna have to come back again and resolder some connections and then see what happens.